Now, when you go for third case, how do we do it? How to do the third case? Just see, again the same process, plane perpendicular to one of the reference plane and inclined to other. You are making it perpendicular, but to the other plane it making inclination. How would you do it? Again we'll have all this. Okay, I'll even clear this one so that the board is very clear for you to understand all the things. Okay. Take x and y, VP. Now the third point says plane perpendicular to one of the reference plane. Keep it as it is perpendicular. Now what we are doing is perpendicular. And inclined to other. How to make this plane inclined to other? How do you make it? Now perpendicular to one, parallel to other is one option. If I keep like this, it is again perpendicular. Yeah, and perpendicular to VP but parallel to HP. Now it is parallel to VP, this full, but from the top, because two views, always you see from front view, you draw it here, top view you draw it in the bottom, that means in the down. That's it. Very simple, no kind of understanding. And now it is parallel to VP, perpendicular to HP. Is that okay? Then what is the next one? How to make it both parallel? Plane has to be parallel to both. How do you make it? Like this? Not possible. Like this? Again perpendicular. Like this? Not possible. I am not making, but what is wanted is plane perpendicular to one of the reference plane and inclined to other. That means plane is perpendicular. You just see perpendicular to VP. Okay? But it is inclined to other. Inclined means I'll say it is like this. The whole body is being tilted from like this. That means I have an inclination or tilting position here. From where I can see this? From top, can I see this tilting here? No, I can see this point and this point. You cannot see. You just make it a line. It becomes a big, no, actually it's parallel to HP, no. I'll be drawing like this. Right, I can write, you can take any point, it is A, and this is B, and this is C, and D. I'm just writing for your understanding. The top view. Front view it will be a straight line. Okay, so whatever is hidden you can write, that is you are understood. So, when I tilt it, it is inclined to one plane. How to make it inclination? Either I can tilt it like this, right? If I tilt it like this inclination, this is a straight line, this inclination, you can draw it in the VP. I mean, I am making parallel to HP and inclined to VP. That's what the option given. Okay. And other possibilities, you keep it like this. Instead of this tilting, you can tilt like this. Can you get me? The same process what we did in lines. I have a chalk piece here. If I tilt it like this, the tilting angle can be seen in VP. Actually, it is inclination to HP only. It is drawn in VP. That's what I told you. It is vice versa. Then, either you can tilt it like this or you can tilt it like this. Keep it like this. Now, I have straight line from here in the front view, but if I want to tilt it like this. So this angle may be theta or phi. I told you, kindly remember, the angle made by any plane or line, whatever it is, because anything you contain of a line. This is a plane lamina, but you have four lines, no, four sides of the rectangle. So this line making an angle with respect to HP means that HP angle should be theta. Theta is with respect to HP, any angle making, and phi with respect to VP. Okay, that we know. Now I am tilting it like this. Keeping point, suppose A, B, C, D, keeping point this C, D fixed, I am tilting the point A. Now what happened? This inclination can be drawn in VP only. In the sense, I will tell you how to draw. Say for example, I will fix this point. Yeah, this. It should look like this. Is it right? This one. Now, actually to speak, this end is A in your front view. This end is suppose A, B, whatever I fix it. Suppose I take it as A point is. I point C A. This may be A dash. B, C, D. This D will be, D dash will be hidden. Is that right? Then, which is the tilted angle. You can see the angle. I said this is theta. The angle can be done, and this is will be B seen, and AB CD. The C dash is not seen inside the bracket. Clear? But how to draw this? In the line, you see a single line. In the front view, you see a single line actually. But to speak, actually it has got full lamina, the back side. Clear? It has to be, in the sense, if we see opposite side, it will be like this. Almost like this. In that fashion. But we are not drawing it because we just see only the projected point alone we are writing. Okay? Now from the top view, what I can see, actually the plan is to keep the set is plane perpendicular to one of the reference plane. We made it perpendicular, and inclined to the other, we made it inclined. Clear? Now we have made perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. This is what's correct it is. When you see from the top, I see point number I. See, the position is like this. I have drawn like this. But actually, in the top view, this is front view. Front view, FV, front view, this direction. In the top view, what I can see? I'll see this point. No, I'll change the notation so you'll understand. This was actually, I taken this A, D. I'll write from here. It will be still better. For your understanding. Okay, now I see point A. What is A? Actually, A is here. Now, A is visible. First is A. Yeah? No, on the top, A is here, B is here. A is here. See, what always you write, the point is near the plane in this first point, or the opposite side, because you are tilting it down, it will come like this. So I will write, go down to A here. It was correct. A is here, and D here, D is this. And this one will be B. First this is B, and this is C. A1, B1, C1, B1. Now what is this one? It is a plane perpendicular to VP but parallel to HP. That's what we made. Inclined to other. It is inclination, it is shown here. Okay? But we should draw it in a different manner to show the total area, because inclination you cannot leave like this. This is not a line diagram. It is not a line. You should show this inclination which is inclined. What is the final view? In the sense, say suppose my first view, always we have to draw anything we are making it parallel or perpendicular. The original sketch, the real sketch where we are looking, first we have to draw this. That means in the top view we are looking the full size. Is it not? So first drawing you should make it in the top view. I am talking about this particular option. Okay? Because you see the full sketch of the body. But in the front view you are looking only simply a line. So this should be your second line. Okay? Now we have to finish it. That means finish it in, say suppose point number 3 or 4 diagrams by projecting all these lines and bringing it to the final answer. Is clear? That will be doing it now. How do we project? I'll just show you. Okay, I'll make it here. C1, B1. C1, AB. Now how do I project it? I'll bring it now here. This Y. Okay. You just project these lines. Okay. This inclination. Right? Or before that you can make one more lecture. Instead of writing this inclination angle direct here, in the front view you can see a direct line, and this inclination will be normally given. Okay, this would be your third option. This inclination would be your third option. Or that means basically you will be drawing like this, a straight line, because in this diagram the final answer should meet your condition satisfied, which means basically I hold a plane like this which is perfectly parallel to HP. I made parallel to HP. From the front view, this is straight line. Right? Now I am making it an inclination. This is the third position. That means I am going for this theta. Okay. Now I make it, this is A is visible, this B is visible, B dash, C is invisible, C dash. Okay. The third position will be from here. Actually, you have to take a inclination from the baseline line like this, and whatever the inclination specified, I told you, the theta value, it should be taken from this. And because this distance will be normally specified in the question, because at what distance is point A or point B will be given, right? So from this point you fix it, and if it is 50 millimeters, say suppose an example of this is 50 millimeter, a line along 50 millimeter length of line, 50 millimeter, you can take it here and make it this line as it is. So what do? Project this, because this is actually tilted from here. Okay. So you are just tilting this line to this position. So whatever the angle given, the theta, you are making it here. Right? Now, actually to speak, because it says plane perpendicular to one of the reference plane and inclined to other, right? We made it perpendicular. Okay, you have two views and you draw. Finally, you are just tilting it and you bring it down. And that's it. Can you see the difference of what is? I'll write this is A1 double dash or I1 dash, B1 double dash. This is D1. I'm sorry. B double dash, D double dash, C double one. C11 and C12 like this. Okay. So what is this difference? You can kindly please understand. If the inclination is not there, the true length, the size of the object is as it is. This full size. When it is inclined, it will be a foreshortened length. That's it. Is it clear? The top view, if you see, if it is 50, it is 50. If it is 30, it is 30. I can make it, say suppose this is 30 and this is 50. This is exactly. When it is inclined, it becomes like this. So this is your front view. Yeah, clear? These 2 points as it is, you write. When you tilt it, there is no change in this. A and D, B and C is as it is. You can write A, D, B and C as it is. When you bring it down, this will be a shortened length. That. Now this option, I can say this is a plane which is perpendicular to VP, because it's perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP, and it is inclined. The seat is kept like that, but conditions to satisfy is perpendicular to one of the reference plane. One of the reference plane is perpendicular to VP, and it is inclined to other. Inclined to other is inclined to HP. This is that. Now what is the next option could be? The next option for this one, it is perpendicular to one. We made it perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. Opposite side, we will make it perpendicular to HP and inclined to VP. That's it. It will be vice versa with this. Is it clear? So kindly note, you will get a foreshortened figure. That means a small compared to this is an actual sketch. This will be a shortened. You cannot expect this 50 should be exactly 50 here. But your 30 may be 30. Height may be possible. But since it is rotated like this, you will see a line and see a line. This line will be reduced. That means this will be shortened. That's it. Clear? That is option number 3. Now number 4, plane inclined to both the reference planes. It is inclined to both horizontal plane, vertical plane and horizontal plane is the fourth option.